Hi guys, it's Ben Heath, and in this video I'm going to answer a big email marketing question, and that's how long should your email copy be? Keep watching. So as I said, this is one of the most important questions for email marketing. When I'm emailing my list, how long should those emails be? Well, I think most people get this wrong, and I think they write too long copy. I think they make their emails far too long. And the issue with really long email copy is that it's really off-putting. If you open an email from someone, particularly if it's not from someone you know, if it's from a company looking to sell you products or services, and they've written a whole essay, you're probably not going to be bothered to read that. You're just going to go, not worth it, and delete or just move on to the next email. Instead of doing that, I would recommend that you think about how a friend would email you something. If they wanted to show you something, they had a link to something interesting they wanted to show you, whether it's a product or a service or a video or something like that, how long would their email be? It's going to be pretty short. It's going to be pretty much to the point. And because of that, if you're emailing your list content, whether that's blog posts, videos, whatever content it is that you're producing, I think you should keep those emails really, really short. Something like 4 to 8 sentences long, no longer than that. All you really want to do here is explain what the content is, what's included in it, and why the people on your email list will actually want to take the time to watch the video or read the blog post. Now, if you're sending an email where you're directly selling your products and services, your email copy is going to need to be a little bit longer than if you're just sending them content, but you still want to keep it short. If what you're offering is relatively inexpensive and a bit of an impulse purchase, then I think 8 to 12 sentences is about right. That's a bit longer than with our content emails because you do need to provide a bit more information for people to be willing to pay for something, but it's still nice and short so that when people are opening their emails, they're not going, oh, I can't be bothered to read that. And of course, if you're looking to sell higher value products and services, then your email copy is going to need to be a bit longer than that. Basically, the more money you're asking people to spend, the longer your email copy needs to be because you just need to provide more reasons, more benefits of why they want to buy the thing that you're offering. But whenever you're writing your email copy, make sure there's no fluff or wasted sentences. That's just going to decrease your open rates over time and decrease the click-through rates on that specific email, which will of course mean that you decrease your sales. If you're on my email list, then you'll know that 95% of the emails I send out are about my own content. So over the last 6 months or so, I've experimented with really short email copy, 4, 5 sentences long, just enough to explain what the copy is about and link to it. And that's worked really, really well. I have a relatively large email list, and I've seen the click-through rates from my emails double with this strategy alone. And keeping your email copy nice and short also has the added benefit of it takes much less time to write. You know, we're all business owners and marketers, we're all busy, we all have lots of other things to get on with. If you can write your email in half the time and it be more effective, that's a win all around. Now, just before you go, there's something I quickly want to mention that I think you'll be very interested in, and that's my 5-part Facebook ad template, which you can download right now for free. So this ad template includes some of the best performing ads I've created for a number of different businesses in a number of different industries, and you can obviously model from the ads in there, should really help you with your Facebook advertising campaigns. As I said, you can download it right now for free. All you need to do is click on the link in the video description. That'll take you through to a page on my website and you'll be able to download it there. So best of luck with your email marketing campaigns and your Facebook advertising campaigns if you're interested and you download the template. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.